What was that?
Where you going, pussy?
Don't shoot!
See, he's alive. Oh
Oh
wait,
no, he's coughing.
he be
He's coughing.
coughing
Shoot him.
real good.
Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
All right. Let's find her.
Leon, we don't have time
We're
to.
making the time.
What a Chad.
What a gangster, bro. This dude should
They're
not be
scared.
the one leading.
I don't know what he's doing. We literally have the guns. I wonder.
Stay close.
Did you try
kill
shooting him? Now, let's go first. We have guns. You do not. Please, for the love of fuck.
Bro's literally sprinting down the hall.
My fan is blocking the way. Subscribe for more funny clips.